afternoon trip is going to start. Oh my freaking lord. Oh no. Okay. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh. What the frick? Oh my. Whatever. What the frick? Okay. Who? Okay. User is also installed 101 game scrolls. Jeez. Okay, 9:10. We're gonna play some Animal Jam. Animal Jam. Play wild. Oh, freaking okay. This is my new Animal Jam account. On my other Animal Jam account, oh my gosh, the lag. On my other Animal Jam account, I had membership, but I made a new account because I deleted Animal Jam on another computer. So yeah, and I can't remember the password or the username because it's been like a dang year since I've deleted it. So yeah, that was pretty stupid back then because that freaking membership costed a dang Google Play card. Should make it first rate accepted. Surprise. No, wrong one. No. No. Oh. I really wanted to press because this is a new freaking account. This is brand new. And guess what? All I have in my freaking inventory, nowhere's at all, just a dang Protofest Phantom mask and all this crap. I look like I just escaped from a dang mental asylum. Hold up. Holy dingus. That looks so creepy. If you met up with that in real life, you would literally scream. Okay. Let's go to here. Boom. Jeez. No. Jammer and clothing. Icicle cane. Dang. Yep, we are going to need this. Purchase, Felicia. Purchase. Yes. 75 danger. Yep. Definitely. Tomorrow Day gift shoes. Tomorrow Day kites. More Tomorrow Day hat. Gingerbread glove. Wreath necklace. Deer fur. Snow covered antlers. Yes, Felicia. Oops. There we go. Yep. I'm just going to get the coolest looking one. Ew. Okay, we're gonna start from here. Nope, 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 no. Actually, maybe this. Yeah. Two-bear necklace. Yeah. New necklace. No. Sparkly head bow. Yes. Okay, there's a rare one of this. And I got it on my first account of Animal Jam where I had membership. It was a rare one, too. Did I already say that? I don't know. So, yeah. Just a quick warning here. You don't just get sapphires from just getting membership. You can also play games and, yeah, to get sapphires. So, yeah. Is there a pink one? No. Well, I can get a purple one to make it, like, a little bit close. So, yeah, I'm just gonna pretend that's a thing right here. 3 horned armor. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Felicia. There you go. 3 horned armor. 3 horned boots. Spiked helmet. Yeah. Wait, what? Steampunk lances. Oh, yes. Paper wings. Oh. I'm going to get the dang 3 horned armor. Frick it. Okay, starting from here. Bam. Get it. I now have $29. Wow. Oh my gosh. What has happened to me? I look so dang fucking weird. Oh my gosh. Okay. Please don't tell me you don't enjoy this. Okay, but 6 new items. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. So we're going to get this. Pretend this is rare. Because, yeah. Rosie Icy Dog. That used to be my new jammer name. Let's do it so I'm not that emo. Where's the dang white? Come on. I don't want dang icy blue. Don't get that dang icy blue crap to me. Come on to the radio one. It's better. That looks pretty good. Dang, I am jealous. Hold up. Okay, now I'm not so freaking emo anymore. Wait. Okay, now I'm not so dang emo. I still can't believe what I'm wearing right now, though. What in the world has my life become? Thank you. Oh yes. Oh freaking yes.